Today I am going to start with chapter exponents and powers. In exponents and powers, first of all, let us understand what is exponent. Exponent means the shortcut of multiplication. And the word exponent indicates that how many times a number has been multiplied. If you see here, 5 is the base here and 2 is the exponent. Okay, 5 is the base and 2 is the exponent. 5 raised to the power 2, that is the power of 2 or exponent of 2. 2 is your exponent or power. Got it, children? So it means that the number has been multiplied, same number has been multiplied twice or thrice or whatever the power is. According to the power, it has been multiplied. Okay. In some books, if you see in place of exponent, somewhere index is also given. So we can say exponent also, power also, or index also. Index. Okay. In some books, in place of power or in place of exponent, index word is also being used. So you can say index word also instead of exponent. Okay. Got it, children? So when you are writing the product by itself, how many times that number has been multiplied? Suppose 5 raised to the power 2. So 5 multiply 5. That means 2 times 5 is being multiplied. So that is called exponential notation. When you are multiplying any number according to the power which is given over there, that is called exponential notation. Okay. And if I'm writing -1, if I'm writing -1, Vanshan, please listen to me carefully. बाद में बात कर लेना बेटा. -1, and if it is having any power even, अगर even powers you understand, 10 lakh, 10,000, 20,000, 80,000, 80 lakh, 84 lakh, all are even numbers. If we are getting any power like that and number is base is -1, so always you are getting the answer in positive. That is 1. And if you are getting -1 and having the power as odd number like 11, 21, 31, 51 or 53, 57, all are odd numbers. If you are having that type of powers, then always the answer of -1 will be -1 only. If you are having the power as odd number. Got it, children? If I'm writing -1 raised to the power 46. So 46 is an even number. So you are getting the answer as 1. If I'm writing -1 raised to the power 99. 99 is an odd number. So you are getting the answer -1. Got it, children? So let's start with the exercise now. Exercise 13.1. Find the value of 2 raised to the power 6. So 2 raised to the power 6 means 2 is multiplied 6 times. So you will be writing like this. 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2. So the answer will be, when you are multiplying all the 2's together, you will be getting the answer 64. So in this way, you have to solve your question number 1. Is it clear? Question number 1. The number of power which is given over there, power or exponent is given, that number of times you have to write the same digit. And you have to multiply it simply and write down the answer. Got it, children? Adhyay Sharma, open your camera. Adhyay Sharma, open your camera. Understood, children? SR.SEC, tell me the B part. Unmute yourself. B part 9, raised to the power 13 is 3 is given.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will multiply 9 3 times.
9 3 times. So what will be the answer when you are multiplying 9 3 times?
Ma'am, 729.
729. Very good. Shaurya. In this way, you are going to solve this question, beta. Everybody. Nishchay, tell me the next part.
Yes, ma'am. 11 two times. 22.
11,
No,
11
sorry,
ka?
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. 110.
No, 121. 11 multiply
Sorry.
11, you get 121.
21. 121.
Yes. So
Okay,
the
ma'am.
square of 11 is 121.
121.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Please multiply it carefully. Okay. Vedang Yadav, tell me the next part.
Yes, ma'am.
Next part, fourth part.
Ma'am, 5 4 times.
5 will be written 4 times. When you will multiply, how much you will be
Ma'am,
getting?
sorry.
Yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Tell me, when you're multiplying this, how much you are getting?
Ma'am, ma'am, 250.
5 5s are 25. 25 multiply
Yes,
25. How much you will be getting?
25.
Multiply it fast and tell me the answer.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, 625.
625. Absolutely correct. 625. When 5 will be multiplied 4 times, then you will be getting 625. Or you can say that the square of 25 is 625 also. The square of 25 is 625. When you are multiplying 25 twice, you are getting answer 625. Okay. Done, everyone? Next question is more than easier in the form of this. Express the following in exponential form. As you have done this question, when you have given the short form and you have expanded these parts, in the next part, what you have to do? You have to just do the short form of these questions. That means 6 has been given 4 times, so you will be writing answer 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, it's just a shortcut of the expanded form. 6 is given 4 times, so write down 6 raised to the power 4. Okay. Parth Jain, unmute yourself and tell me the B part of this. What will be the answer of B part? Parth Jain. Open your webcam and tell me the answer. The T has been multiplied 2 times. So what will be the answer when you are expressing it in exponential form? Speak up, Parth. Parth Jain, I'm talking to you. Speak up. What happened, Parth? T is multiplied how many times? Naman Jain. Open your camera. Open your camera.
Ma'am, B part.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, T square.
T square, right answer. T is multiplied twice, so you will be writing T square. Meenakshi, tell me the C part.
B4.
B raised to the power 4. Speak.
B4.
B raised to the power 4. B4 is not the correct way to speak this answer. Speak up again.
B raised to power 4.
B raised to the power 4. Okay. Bhavya, tell me the next part. Fourth part. Bhavya Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer of next part, fourth part?
Oh, ma'am, the answer of the fourth part will be
Yes, beta. 5 is written how many times and 7 is written how many times? Tell me. Bhavya, your screen is paused. Sejal,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the answer of fourth part?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, beta, Sejal, let her speak.
Ma'am, 5 is 2 times, so ma'am, it is 5 square, and ma'am, 7 is 3 times, so it is 7 raised to the power 3.
Raised to the power 3 is called cube.
Okay, ma'am.
So 5 square multiply 7 cube. Okay. 5 square multiply 7 cube. Once Jen, tell me the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please scroll up.
You don't have your book with you?
Ma'am, I have, but
One is there.
okay. Ma'am, 2 square multiply a square.
2 square multiply a square. Absolutely correct. 2 square multiply a square. Devanshi, next part.
no.
Very good. A square multiply c power 4 multiply d. Very good, children. This way you have to solve this question. Adhyay Parth, your cameras are still off. Naman Jain, your cameras are still off. Turn on your cameras. Ayan Malik, Shivam. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. That means you have to tell in the exponential form how it will be solved. So for that you have to find out the prime factor. Using prime factorization you will be solving it. 512. You know how to do prime factorization? LCM method. You know how to do it? Prime factorization. Just start solving it using prime factorization method. Solve it here only, 512. Start solving, children. Ayan Malik, Bhumi Chaudhary, open your camera. Bhumi Chaudhary, Ayan Malik. So 512. Find out in exponential notation. See here, I'm doing it on the board. $512. Yes, Kavya, unmuted. In the table of 2, how many times it will go? 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Then, from which table it will go? Your voice is not coming, Kavya. You're not audible. Not audible. Yes, Mukul Jain, you're right here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 2 8s are 16. Then again, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2. Okay. So how many times 2 is being multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's multiplied 9 times. It has been multiplied 9 times. So you will be writing answer like this. First do the prime factorization, then 2 multiplied 9 times you will be writing, and answer in exponential form you will be writing 2 raised to the power 9. Okay, 2 raised to the power 9. First you will be multiplying it, write down like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then write down the answer: 2 raised to the power 9. Got it, children? Understood? How you have to do it? One Sharma, tell me the next part.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next part is of 343.
Okay, let me write 343 here. $343.
Ma'am, it is going with the 7.
With the table of
7.
7. 7. How much?
No, 49.
Just a second. 749.
Ma'am, the 3 times 7 is coming. So, ma'am, the answer is 7Q.
749. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So 7 is
The
coming.
answer is 7Q.
Yes. 7 into 7 into 7. So the answer will be 7 raised to the power 3. Absolutely right. Understood, children? This way you have to do the B part. See on the board. 7 is being multiplied 3 times. 7 multiplied 749, 343. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Done, children? Children, B, C and D part is your homework. So please mark your homework side by side and write it in your almanac also. Question number 3, third and fourth part. 13.1 exercise. Question number 3, third and fourth part. Beta, you have to show the prime factorization also, one Sharma. You have not shown. Okay. So you have to represent also the prime factorization below the question. Now let's start with question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So 4 raised to the power 3. First of all, we are multiplying 4 raised to the power 3. That is 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. That will be 64. Then you can see 3 is multiplied 4 times. So 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. That is 81. Once done, will you stop talking in the class? You're not, your concentration is not in the class. So 64 is less than 81. 64 is less than 81. That means 4 raised to the power 3 is less than 3 raised to the power 4. So you have to tell that, you have to tell the greater number. So you will be writing at the last that 3 raised to the power 4 is the greater number. Okay, so this way you will be doing the question. Start doing it. Do the first part, children. Last part is your homework, fifth part. So we'll be doing question number 5 onwards from tomorrow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll be completing 4 questions till tomorrow, and we'll complete this exercise 13.1. Tomorrow we are going to complete this exercise. There are 3 exercises of this chapter. One we'll complete tomorrow. Tomorrow is, what is the day tomorrow? Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, 2 days. Friday, Saturday. Let's see.